Imagine waking up tomorrow and deciding, I'm going to become Tony Stark, not Iron Man. Just the guy who somehow knows mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, AI, robotics, business, physics, and still has time to build flying suits in his basement. Sounds impossible? Actually, it's just a very, very long syllabus. First, let's remove one tiny problem. Tony Stark is fictional. You are not. Which means, you probably don't own $1 billion company. You probably don't have a nuclear-powered chest. And if you build a flying metal suit in your garage, your neighbors are calling the police. But surprisingly, almost everything Tony knows can actually be learned. Tony Stark's real superpower isn't money. It's problem-solving. So first, learn mathematics, calculus, linear algebra, probability, then physics, mechanics, electricity, thermodynamics. These subjects are basically the operating system for engineering. Without them, you're just pressing random buttons and hoping the robot doesn't explode. Now comes the fun part. Mechanical engineering teaches you how machines move. Electrical engineering teaches you how machines get power. Electronics teaches machines to think with circuits. Computer science teaches machines to make decisions. Artificial intelligence teaches machines to convince humans they're intelligent. Put all of these together. Congratulations. You're officially confusing your relatives at family gatherings. Knowledge without projects is like downloading games you never play. Start small. Build an Arduino robot. Control LEDs. Create a drone. Design parts in Fusion 360. Print them using a 3D printer. Learn Python, then C++. Then connect everything together. Every project upgrades your engineering experience bar. Exactly like a video game. Except the boss fights involve debugging. Here's where most people quit. Because cool robots cost real money. So how do engineers earn? Get internships. Freelance CAD design. Build websites. Develop AI tools. Sell electronics projects. Start a YouTube channel explaining what you learn. Or build products people actually need. Money is simply fuel for bigger projects. Tony Stark didn't become rich because he wore the suit. He built the company first. Will you become Tony Stark? Probably not. Will you become an engineer who understands AI, robotics, programming, electronics, and business? Absolutely. And honestly, that's already pretty awesome. Because the closest thing to Iron Man isn't the suit. It's the person smart enough to build it.